I salute him with a genial salute. It's an honor for us to have a personality like Mr. Chani. He got his MTech institutions like ISTD, Jamshedpur Management Association. Visited about 25 countries. He is a visiting professor of XRI. जमशेदपुर IIT बात करेंगे। मौसम के फरिश्तों से मेरी बात हुई है। फूल ज़ेवर इंसानियत है, फूल रुज़ मोहब्बत है, फूल नजराने अकीदत है, फूल अज़मतों की अलामत है, फूल इजहार यकांगत है। मैं इस कपलेट के साथ फरहीन को आवाज़ देता हूँ। फरहीन प्लीज़ कम, और हमारे चीफ गेस्ट को आप उन्होंने गुलदस्ता दें।
न मैदान जीतने से मन जीता जाता। मैं वाजपेयी जी की इन पंक्तियों के साथ आज के इस समारोह में आप सबका हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ। राष्ट्रीय क्षितिज पर स्वच्छ छवि के साथ आजाद शत्रु कहे जाने वाले कवि एवं पत्रकार अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी एक व्यक्ति का नाम नहीं, बल्कि ये तो राष्ट्रीय विचारधारा का नाम है। लिखने की शैली कुशल हो, बोलने की शैली कुशल हो और बातों को गहराई से समझने की शक्ति हो, ऐसे गुणों का सम्मेलन बहुत ही कम व्यक्तियों में नजर आता है। बाधाएं आती हैं आए, घिरे प्रलय की ओर घटाएं, पांव के नीचे अंगारे, सिर पर बरसे यदि ज्वालाएं, निज हाथों से हंसते हंसते आग लगाकर जलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा। मैं 2 लाइन और बोलूंगी, उनकी ही कविता का यह अंश है। हास्य रुदन में, ये लाइंस मैं अपने बच्चों के लिए बोल रही हूँ जो यहाँ उपस्थित हैं, जो कभी कभी हताश हो जाते हैं अपनी मंजिल को पाने के लिए। मैं उनको बोलूँगी कि उनकी इस कविता से हमें कुछ सीखना चाहिए। हास्य रुदन में, तूफानों में, अमर असंख्यक बलिदानों में, उद्यानों में, वीरानों में, अपमानों में, सम्मानों में, उन्नत मस्तक उभरा सीना, पीड़ाओं से पलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा। धन्यवाद।
इसी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स भी कदम मिलाकर चलते हैं सरकार की नई पॉलिसियों के साथ और नई टेक्नोलॉजीज के साथ।
Respected jury members and all the students and teachers present here, this is Swati Kumari Jha from Electronics and Communication Engineering branch. Today I got a chance to present my points of view by this topic, and my topic is the use of technology and innovations for promoting good governance. Ladies and gentlemen, in recent many years, many countries have enjoyed the political freedom, and they have passed varieties of the reform measures to combat the corruptions. But still there is a question mark.
Honorable Chief Guest, respected jury members and faculty, and my dear friends, a warm good afternoon to all of you. It's a pleasure for me to present before you my views on the topic, use of technology and innovation in good governance.
Signed with our wishes. Today, the Sun and I wish you all a very warm good morning, especially to our Honorable Chief Guest, Principal Sir, jury members, all respected teachers, and my dear homies. First of all, I would heartily thank the Almighty and all those because of whom's blessings I am capable enough to stand erect before such a governance is making of laws, policies to shape a state, a province, or any region. It is the governance which creates the various aspects of a society. It must never be confused with administration. Administration is just implementing the results of governance. As I already stated, governance is it which shapes the society. Therefore, it is a good governance which promotes peace, prosperity, and a healthy living in a society.
Teachers and my dear friends, very warm good morning to all of you. This is Karan Nag from Automobile Engineering. My topic for today is the use of technical education regarding the good governance. The first thing I would like to bring to the topic is, what is technical education? The technical education plays a vital role in bringing a society or a nation to its betterment, for working for its betterment of its people. And a good governance is the thing which maintains nicely its people, political, economic, or everything infrastructure is in its hand. So if it comes to our country, then I think sometimes that in 2005 I've heard that India is a developing country. In 2010 also I've heard that India is a developing country. And I think after a few days we will be listening that in 2015 India is still a developing country. Then my friend once told me that Vision 2020, which our APJ Abdul Kalam said that till 2020, year 2020, India must be a developed country. But I think the 5 years remaining is not suitable or not capable of taking India to a developed position, because we can see many things are yet to be dealt, and after I think most of the engineers are going abroad from our country. Betterment of well-paid job, betterment of opportunities. So why can we institutions and the backward castes are given scholarships so that the people in rural areas can also come and use their talents and get a well-paid job?
Principal, secretary, teachers, and my dear friends. After independence, after our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru was called by holistic development plan for our country. And he thought the ministries are found to govern our country. Then, for example, industries and technology in our countries is a model temple of development. We are observing today a Good Governance Day on the birthday of Prime Minister Shri.
In the meantime, the marks are being compiled by the jury members. Today we have with us a very towering personality, Mr. Chandreshwar Khan, जिनके बारे में मैं सिर्फ 2 शब्द कहूँगा. अच्छा बोलते हैं, बहुत ही अच्छा बोलते हैं. So I'd like to call Mr. Chandreshwar Khan to come to stage to say a few words to our audience.
Principal sir, teachers, students, and I'm very, very happy that together the faculty member and the students, you have presented your insight. And now you see, brain is very, very important, and we need continuous training of the brain, and that must start from the beginning itself. Now there are 2 words, brain and training. Now remove B from brain and T from training. What is left? Rain and raining. Rain and raining is the symbol of the problem. When the problem has come, then if you are training the brain, perhaps it may not work. So train the brain before the rain comes, before the problem comes. And if we remember these kind of things, then the miraculous kind of thing could be done. Third was, what he thought and he worked, research-based technical education is the need of the country. Out of the first came the Tata Steel. Out of the second came the Tata Power. And out of the third, research-based technical education into plants. It is not that the plants are not needed, but they were not converting our youth into technician and technocrats. Even a small kind of technician, a very, very mundane kind of thing of the technology and the science, we will not be able to rule well. So this was, he was fighting for the freedom. Institute of Science Bangalore was created. And today, if you go to any things were created, all the director, 80% director of me, I'm also Chandreshwar Khan. So by meeting him, जब उन्होंने खान साहब ने हमको कहा कि मेरा नाम जो उन्होंने कहा कि जो खान है, मैथिली में थोड़ी बातचीत भी कर रहे थे और कुछ चीजों को मैं सोच भी रहा था जो मैं रखना चाहूंगा with an appeal that what we could learn from Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Now, हम सबों को इस चीज की जानकारी होगी कि डॉक्टर कलाम, डॉक्टर APJ Kalam had been the discovery as a president.
The third prize winner is Kumar Gaurav.
अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी ने पहले नाम उसका विक्टोरिया या कुछ था, बाद में उसका नाम स्कूल का रखा गया लक्ष्मी का, उसी स्कूल से उन्होंने पढ़ा था ग्वालियर। आपको समझिए कि हम प्रमाण पत्र दे रहे हैं, पुरस्कार मिल रहा है और आपका आकार बढ़ रहा है। But got very, very nice.
For this function, I know his very busy schedule. He has given us a time. I told you have to say few words, encouraging words to my students and to my staff, and he said definitely he will come, and he is with us in spite of his very short notice. Yesterday only I able to call him, and we all are very grateful to him for his acceptance.
Participating and advising, instructing, and lighting the way so that it could jump, leap, and walk, run. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot to the deputy team who has organized this thing. A very, 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 very good item which we were expecting for the last years, and this time we could do it in such a great manner. I thank Mr. Staff and his team for committing and finishing this event in such a good manner.
Department of English would like to give vote of thanks on behalf of Al-Kabir Polytechnic. It's my immense pleasure to give this vote of thanks to Mr. Chandreshwar Khan to his excellence speech which he delivered to motivate us. Thank you very much, sir. Professor Saab, who constantly motivated us for this kind of programs.